Scríbhneoireacht, welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish.
Level A1 Topic a Cahar an Teach agus Lóistín. Level A1 Topic 4 The House and Accommodation. Level A1 Topic a Cahar Rannóg sé Aimsigh na difríochtaí sa suíomh difríochtaí Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1 Topic 4 Section 6 Find the differences in the sitting rooms, focusing on writing. Agus le múna an folklór a bhaineann le trascán agus trealamh agus an bríthir bí san Aimsigh Lóireach. And we'll be teaching the vocabulary for furniture and appliances and the verb to be in the present tense. Beg an bilóg aimsigh na difríochtaí sa seomraí uait an gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout. Find the differences in the sitting rooms for this activity. Links for the handouts are in the description box below. Aimsigh na difríochtaí sa seomraí. Find the differences in the sitting room. Feich an dáfik dúirse a leanas. Look at the two following pictures. Tá iad na difríochtaí atá atarthu. What are the differences between them? Scríbh na difríochtaí sa spás thias. Write the differences in the space below. Mar hampla, for example, tá fuinneog I bictiúr a hain ach níl fuinneog I bictiúr a dó. There's a window in picture 1, but there isn't a window in picture 2. When úsáid as an folklór seo freisin, use the following vocabulary as well. Lampa, lamp, curtini, curtains, picture, picture, planda, plant. Mata in folklór eile uait, when úsáid as folklore.ie, no teanglan.ie. If you need any other vocabulary, use folklore.ie or teanglan.ie. Tuair ard ar an litriú, sína fada no orú. So pay attention to spelling the sína fada and orús. Is gníomhaíocht dúchánach I an gníomhaíocht seo, ach buin trial as. So this activity is challenging, but give it a try. Conas a how did you get along? Tá roinnt freagraí ar na sleamhnáin seo a leanas. There are some answers on the following slides. Then comparáid idir iad agus do chuid freagraí féin. Compare them to your own answers. An sin, lay do chuid freagraí amach os ard. Then, read your own answers out loud. Roinnt freagraí, some answers. Tá fuinneog I bictiúr a hain, ach níl fuinneog I bictiúr a dó. Tá cófra nó labhragáin I bictiúr a hain, ach níl I bictiúr a dó. There is a cupboard or bookcase in picture 1, but not in picture 2. Tá pictiúr I bictiúr a hain, ach tá scáthán I bictiúr a dó. There's a picture in picture 1, but there's a mirror in picture 2. Tá vása le bláhanna I bictiúr a hain, ach níl vása I bictiúr a dó. There's a vase with flowers in picture 1, but there isn't a vase in picture 2. Tá planda I bictiúr a hain, ach níl planda I bictiúr a dó. Tá curtini I bictiúr a hain, ach níl curtini I bictiúr a dó. Tá cathaoir uileach I bictiúr a hain, ach níl I bictiúr a dó. So there's an armchair in picture 1, but there isn't in picture 2. Tá staire I bictiúr a dó, ach níl staire I bictiúr a hain. So there's a stairs in picture 2, but not in picture 1. Tá sean telephone I bictiúr a dó, ach níl phone I bictiúr a hain. There's an old telephone in picture 2, but not in picture 1. Tá cusíní ar an dulg I bictiúr a dó, ach níl cusíní I bictiúr a hain. There are cushions on the couch in picture 2, but not in picture 1. Agus folklore breise, extra vocabulary that was included in some of those answers. Lauragan, bookshelf, Lauragan. Scáhan, a mirror, Scáhan. Vasa, a vase, Vasa. Bláhanna, flowers, Bláhanna. Cahir Ilach, an armchair, Cahir Ilach. Cushiony, cushions, Cushiony. Agus sin é Rannóg sé aimsigh na difríochtaí sa seomrasaí ag difríochtaach ar an folklór a bhaineann le trascáin agus trealamh agus an bríthir bí san aimsigh láireach agus ag Scríbhneoireacht. And that wraps up section 6, find the differences, focusing on vocabulary for furniture and appliances and the verb to be in the present tense with some writing activities.
Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools.
Original files are available to download at Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. So many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for permission to use the learning resources on their website.
Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanabas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.